Hi, today I will be doing a project for Microsoft Excel's class, and we are supposed to do a dashboard in Excel using data. For this project, I will be doing autism research, and I took some data from this website, cdc.gov, where they have a lot of information, and I just copy all this information, fix it. The only thing is that they do research on 11 states in the U.S. So this is the information that I will be using. So this is my data, and I'm going to do my first pivot table. Insert pivot table in a new worksheet. I'm going to put my states on row, total population value, and total population with ASD on values too. Here I'm going to insert a chart where I can see the total population and ASD cases. So this is my chart, which I arrange it from smaller to largest, where I can see that where I can see a trend on the population with autism spectrum disorder. You can see that this trend line goes up, and we can see that New Jersey has the most cases with children with ASD. For this chart, I'm planning on inserting a slicer where I can, I'm going to click on states, and with this slicer I can just click on any state and get information right there. Okay, now I'm doing my second pivot table, new worksheet, and here I'm going to have states on my columns. And my preference states, male, female, and values. And now I'm going to insert the chart to the pie chart, and it's going to show me each state. That's fine because I'm planning on connecting this on my slicer with this slicer, which I'm gonna do it now. Connections. And if I want to know Arkansas and specific state, I'm gonna have my information over here. Next, I'm going to add another pivot table, and this one is going to be to find prevalence with race, and I am going to have states on my rows and races on my values. So white, black, Hispanic, and Asians. Now I'm going to insert a chart. I'm going to choose bar, where I can see each state, which each category of races. This chart I will also connect it with my first slicer, where I can see each state. Maryland. And last, I'm going to do another pivot table where I'm going to see the categories of ages to find which age is more prevalent to be diagnosed with autism. I'm going to have states on my rows and the ages on my values. So here I have my ages. They have done this research on children of 8 years and younger. So in here we can see the ages by month. Okay, so I'm going to insert another chart with where I can see the age state, which each category of ages. And also this way I will be connecting this with my first slicer where I can see each state. I'm going to connect it now. And it's connected. So here I have renamed all my tabs so I don't get confused. And now I'm going to add another worksheet where I am going to put my dashboard. So this is going to be my worksheet for dashboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all and I'm going to change color for my background. I'm going to use this color over here. Okay, so now I'm going to copy all my charts into dashboard. Control C, Control V, and I will do that for all of them. But now I have all my charts into my dashboard and I will just going to arrange it a little bit and fix it. Okay, so I have arranged all my charts. Now I'm going to fix my slicer. So instead of having the states here, I'm going to have 11 states all around here. So it's easy for me to click. So it's easy for me to find each state, each data, and everything is connected. So if I want to know more about New Jersey, click in New Jersey, and I see that the males are more prevalent to get diagnosed with autism than females. And same thing here, we see that children younger than 3 years old are more prevalent to be diagnosed with autism. And in here in New Jersey, we see that whites are more prevalent to be diagnosed with autism. This chart over here, I added it at last just to show the recent data. They have 2014, and they said that with the latest data, it's like 1 in 59 children have been diagnosed with autism. And if we compare with other years, we see that every year it's increasing. Now it's 1 in 59, the rate. So that's it. This is my dashboard which show data of autism.